everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious egg recipe, a veggie omelette. These are the things I'm going to use: 4 eggs, cheddar cheese, pepper jack cheese, olive, carrot, onion, bell pepper or capsicum, and green chili, unsalted butter, olive oil, salt and black pepper. So without wasting time, let's get started. We're going to use the salt and black pepper, that is always to taste. And beat it well. Once nicely beaten, now we're going to take this one to our gas. First we're going to start gas and get a fry pan. First we're going to add olive oil and butter. This is strictly optional. As the butter starts to melt, I'll add onion, bell pepper, green chili, carrot, olive, and mix it. And we're going to cook them for 1 minute. This way everything gets cooked with the butter and it will bring a good taste. So if you haven't tried this way, please try it and you're going to like it. So cooking for 1 minute. This is how it looks, and spread it evenly. And now we're going to pour egg on top of it. And now let it cook. As the colors start to change, you can move around the pan like this, tilt it. When you make an omelette, it's a good idea to keep your gas on a medium. So that way, as you see, it's already start to move. It's not sticking. Once we see there is no more running egg on top, now we're going to add shredded cheese, which is cheddar cheese and pepper jack cheese. The cheese is nicely melted. Now we're going to flip this one like this. We got very nice color. And now the last thing we're going to do, we're going to flip it one more time on this side. So our veggie omelette is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my plate ready and we're going to take it out. Look at this. Delicious veggie omelette. Let me share with you. Our veggie omelette is all ready. Prior to serving, add some ketchup. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.